Hello guys and welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. Today we're gonna talk about how to connect Coinbase wallet to PayPal. It's a step-by-step guide to follow easily, and don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. So let's get right into it. So first off, you should have your Coinbase wallet application in your phone ready. It's either in iOS or your Android devices, it doesn't matter. So right here I already have mine already set up. You have to sign in and go to your own wallet. So in my account, in my country, it doesn't really work, but I'll show you a step-by-step guide and I will guide you through it. So from your account settings, just go to your settings and go to click payment methods. But unfortunately for mine, it doesn't have it. So from there, you will see here that I cannot really do it since it's not supported in my country. So the next step from that is link a new account from a computer or your phone, and then after that you have to tap add payment method in the mobile app. So after that you just select PayPal and you'll be prompted to log into your PayPal account. It's just simple as that. There's no more anything else you have to do. So that's how to connect your Coinbase wallet to your PayPal. Thank you for watching this video.